So for the today we are going to start with the preparation of the aldehydes and ketones. Now for the preparation of the aldehydes and ketones, inka over here is what that we are going to do this aldehydes and ketones separate also. Separate also means individual also we are going to study them, and besides that separate there are the some methods which are common to both of them. So for today we are going to start with the methods which are common to both of them. Okay. So let's start first of all. 1 minute. Now over here let's start with the or the methods which are not given in the NCRT book. You people need to write down them in your book itself. You can write down. Okay. Preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Okay. Now preparation of aldehydes and ketones in this, the first method of preparation is by oxidation of alcohols. Now when we talk about the oxidation of alcohols in this particular case, we say that we are going to oxidation का मतलब कि आपको you are requiring a oxidizing agent. Now when you are requiring a oxidizing agent, so we should be familiar with what are the oxidizing agent. So the oxidizing agent which we can use is what? KMnO4, K2, Cr2, O7, potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, and besides that is what? CrO3. Now this CrO3 we take in the presence of the H2SO4. Now this particular CrO3 in the presence of the H2SO4, we name it as a Jones reagent. Now this Jones reagent is what we are going to use it. This Jones reagent, like in the previous classes also I have told you that whatever the special reagents are coming, keep them writing in a book in a one place. So mention this Jones reagent is also over there. Now over here, if you are going to take a first degree alcohol अगर आप लोग लोगे, that is your RCH2OH मैंने लिया, and I have taken an oxidizing agent K2Cr2O7, then you are going to get the aldehyde. First degree alcohol अगर है on oxidation, it is going to give you a aldehyde. If you are going to have the second degree alcohol के अंदर, say suppose we have taken CH3 CHOH CH3, oxidation you are doing. Yes Mohit, something. Then you are going to get the CH3 C CH3 double bond O. On the second degree you are getting the ketone. Clear? Now what about the tertiary alcohols? Always remember that these tertiary alcohols, इस point को mention कर लेना, it is not given in the NCRT, and although we have done this in the class 12th में भी हमने किया है. These tertiary alcohols we say that these are resistant towards oxidation. Okay, it is resistant towards the oxidation. Now what is the reason that why these are resistant towards the oxidation? Because carbon atom that carries OH class चल रही है मैम OH class के बताती हूँ OH group it does not have hydrogen atom but have carbon atom. Okay, again I am repeating that first degree alcohol is going to give you aldehyde on oxidation, second degree alcohol is going to give you a ketone, and third degree alcohol is resistant towards oxidation. Now why it is resistant towards oxidation? Because carbon atom which is carrying a OH group, जिस carbon atom के पास OH group attach है वो कार्बन एटम भी से उसके पास हाइड्रोजन एटम ना होके मीन्स ऑन द एडजॉइनिंग ना होके इट इज अटैच टू द अनदर कार्बन एटम ड्यू टू विच there is what that it is not able to undergo a oxidation. Now the second method, this finishes your oxidation of alcohol. The second method is what? The second method is by dehydrogenation of alcohols. Now always remember whenever the dehydrogenation of alcohols take place. So first thing that you can select the alcohol which is volatile in the nature. Only volatile alcohol के लिए ही ये method जो है is applicable. Another thing is what? That it is done in the presence of a heavy metal catalyst. Okay. Now let's look the reaction over here. It is what? CH3, CH2, CH2, OH in the presence of the copper. यहाँ पे temperature requirement is 573 Kelvin and you are going to get the aldehyde, that is CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. Okay. Now over here, sorry. तीन carbon atom है, so you are going to get the 3 carbon atoms only, CH2, CH2, CH2. Clear? Now say suppose we are having the ketones. अगर हमारे पास ketones का केस हो गया तो ketones के केस में क्या हो जाएगा? CH3C, CH3 double bond O in the presence of a copper, same temperature condition 573 Kelvin, so it will give you a CH3 sorry OH, CH3 double bond O, that is you are going to get the ketones. Now over here is also the same condition. अगर first degree alcohol है you are getting the aldehyde, अगर second degree alcohol है तो you are getting the ketones. Now what about the third degree alcohol? If you are having the third degree alcohol then it is going to change into a alkene but not in the aldehyde or ketones. Okay, coming to the next equation. The next equation is third preparation is your from hydrocarbons. Now from hydrocarbons means what? Basically यहाँ पे the first method is what? By the ozonolysis method. Ozonolysis में क्या होगा? That you are going to take the alkene CH3CH double bond CH3. Ozonolysis means you are making it to react with the ozone, that is O3. So what is going to happen over here? CH3 ये वाला CH जहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड है it is going to over there only your oxygen is going to attach. So O O CH CH3 और ये O और ये O. Okay. Now what is going to happen over here कि आपका जो bond होगा it is going to break when it is undergoing a hydrolysis in the presence of the zinc dust. Okay. यहाँ से bond आपका break होगा. How? Zinc dust H2O, so it is going to give you a 2CH3 CHO. भाई ये बन गया CH3 CHO और ये बन गया CH3 CHO plus what it is going to give you H2O2. Okay. Now why over here we are adding a zinc dust? यहाँ पे zinc dust का क्या role है, क्या function है? The role of the zinc dust over here is what? To remove H2O2. Okay, to remove the H2O2. Now over here we have prepared your aldehyde. Now let's look how your ketone we are going to make it. Ketone के case में what you are going to do? You are going to take the secondary alkene. समझ में आ रहा है? एक मिनट. Okay, now again what is going to happen over here when it is undergoing a hydrolysis? जो bond की breakage है, एक bond यहाँ से टूटेगा, एक bond यहाँ से टूटेगा. Okay, so what it is going to give you? It is going to give you a H2O in the presence of a zinc dust. What it is going to give you? A CH3 CH3 double bond O. That is this part it is going to give you. ये वाला part ये देगा. और अगर हम इसको देखें plus CH3 CHO means in this case when you are using a secondary alkene hydrocarbon, you can say you're going to get the ketone also as well as the aldehyde also. Is it clear? इतना clear है? Yes or no? कुछ तो बोलो. Yes or no? Okay. Now moving ahead, we say that this is having a one drawback. What is the drawback of this particular reaction? Write down the drawback over here only. If you are using a NCERT book, the NCERT book में लिख लो drawback. Drawback of this particular reaction is what? That it is by this particular reaction we cannot prepare a formaldehyde. We cannot prepare a formaldehyde by this particular reaction. Now, in this in this reaction, when we are using a hydrocarbons, अभी जो हमने reaction करी, over here we have taken a alkene. Now, in the second type of the reaction, what we do, we take a alkynes. अब देखते हैं कि alkynes क्या करेंगे. You people are noting down these reactions ना बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because yesterday एक मधु का ही मेरे पास जो questions which I gave from the alcohol came और किसी का भी नहीं आया था yesterday. and today I will be uploading question up to 11.14, because what happens that I do the uploading by reaching home, so इसलिए थोड़ा टाइम लग जाता है. ओवर हियर व्हाट हैपेंड कि ये जो बॉन्ड था यहाँ पे, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड जो था, इट हैज़ शिफ्टेड एंड इट हैज़ मेक व्हाट, OH. अब ये जो OH है इट इज़ गोइंग टू अटैच ओवर हियर. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, ये H प्लस है, ये माइनस है, सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, दिस H प्लस अटैक्ड ओवर हियर एंड दिस ओवर हियर. तो बिकॉज ऑफ विच दिस हैज फॉर्म, इसका रीअरेंजमेंट होगा. सो व्हाट इज इट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू CH3 CH2 C डबल बॉन्ड O CH3, means it is going to give you a ketone. Now let's look the, और you can say कि क्या होता है, ये कौन सी फॉर्म हो गई, ये कौन सी फॉर्म हो गई, विच आई हैव मेड ओवर हेयर. हमने कौन सा यूनिट पढ़ा था जिसके अंदर वो पढ़ा था, टॉटोमेरिज्म.
Ketoenol form.
हाँ, this is a ketoenol form and we know that this enol form is a unstable, therefore tautomerism takes place over here. ठीक है. अब say suppose that in this particular reaction what I have taken, I have taken a symmetrical alkene, है ना, मैंने symmetrical alkene ले रखा है इस particular reaction में. say suppose that हमारे पास कोई reaction आती है and in that particular reaction we are going to have the unsymmetrical alkene. अब अगर आपके पास अनसिमेट्रिकल एल्कीन है, सो कहाँ पे ये OH ग्रुप इज गोइंग टू अटैक. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट व्हेनेवर यू आर हैविंग अ अनसिमेट्रिकल एल्कीन, दिस OH group is going to attack with carbon atom having lesser number of hydrogen atoms. अब जब your OH group is going to attack to the carbon atom having the lesser number of hydrogen atoms, तो ये कौन सा रूल फॉलो करेगा, which rule it is following then.
Markovnikov.
Very good हर्षित, it is going to be a following a Markovnikov rule. इतना क्लियर है अब आप सबको, this much is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now these three reactions what we have done, ये तीनों reactions क्या है बेटा, ये तीनों reactions हैं preparation of the aldehydes and ketones. Means हर एक reaction में हम aldehyde भी prepare कर रहे हैं and ketone भी prepare कर पा रहे हैं. Now we are going to start with the reactions with the which are dealing with the preparation of the aldehydes only. So our today's next topic is what, preparation of aldehydes. अब preparation of aldehydes में, mind it all of you, Ronak, listen carefully, whatever the reaction over here, maximum all the reactions are the named reactions. At the end of the unit, जब हमारी unit खत्म हो जाएगी तो जितनी भी named reactions हैं, like in the alcohol phenol case, I have uploaded a separate video ताकि exam time में तुम लोग review कर सको. So I will do the same thing over here also. Preparation of aldehydes में almost all reactions are what, they are the named reactions. So be very careful in these named reactions and practice them very nicely. पहले मैं वो वाली reactions करूँगी which are not named, जो named category में नहीं है, and the reactions which are not under the named category, those reactions are generally asked in a conversion method. मीन्स जो उनकी एप्लीकेशंस हैं, जो अननेम्ड रिएक्शंस हैं, उनको हम अप्लाई करते हैं कन्वर्जन वाले क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए. सो योर फर्स्ट प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एल्डिहाइड इज व्हाट, इट कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम carboxylic acid. Okay, now how we can prepare from a carboxylic acid? A part, decarboxylation. Now when you are going to do a decarboxylation, what we have to do, HCOOH plus HOCH in the presence of the MNO at the temperature 573 Kelvin. So what is going to happen over here? You are going to get the aldehyde plus water molecule plus carbon dioxide. This is what aldehyde is preparing. Now see, suppose we have taken both the, your over here what we was having the same carboxylic acid, identical we are having. See, suppose I take CH3 COOH plus I take HOOCH. The same condition, MNO 573 Kelvin. So it is going to give you what? CH3 is going to come from here. CH3 यहाँ से आएगा and your remaining CHO, it will come from here. CHO plus again यहाँ से your CO2 will get liberate plus what will remain? Water molecule. Clear? Now we say that in this case aldehyde can be prepared only when one of the reactant will be formaldehyde. यहाँ पे note down this important point that aldehyde can be prepared only when one of the reactant is formaldehyde. Is it clear? Keep noted this point as an important point because this same reaction we are having in the ketones also. Ketones के case में when we will be doing the preparation of the ketones, I will discuss at that time. Now another method, another we can say unnamed reaction for the preparation of aldehyde is what? By distillation of
मैम
हाँ बेटा
मैम अगर फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड नहीं लेंगे तो फिर क्या प्रोडक्ट बनेगा?
फॉर्मल्डिहाइड नहीं लेंगे तो कीटोन बन जाएगा. देखो जैसे
ओके
मैं एक मिनट में इसे कट कर रही हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे नोट डाउन भी करके बता रही हूँ तुम्हें. सी सपोज आई हैव नॉट टेकन द फॉर्मल्डिहाइड, आई हैव टेकन CH3COOH प्लस HOOCH3, मैंने दोनों आइडेंटिकल ले लिए. सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, यहाँ से CH3 आएगा, एक C आया यहाँ से, इसके डबल बॉन्ड आ गए, O आ गया कीटोन का, एंड अगेन CH3 हैज कम. So again what is remaining? Plus carbon dioxide plus H2O. Got it? इस केस में if you are going to take the unidentical CH3COOH और यहाँ पे आप ले लो HOOCH2CH3. So what is going to happen in the ketone? एक साइड ये आ जाएगा, एक साइड ये आ जाएगा, and you are going to have the ketone again. Got it? Now we was discussing the another unnamed reaction for the preparation of the aldehydes, that is what? Distillation of calcium salts of acids. Okay. Now in this particular case calcium salts of acid का मतलब क्या हो गया? That is your HCOO, HCOO and calcium. Now what you are going to do, you are going simply doing the distillation over here. Okay, you are just going to distill it over here. So it will give you a HCHO plus calcium carbonate. Okay, आप ये कह सकते हो this. Clear? This is going to eliminate out. Now over here आपने लिया COO कैल्शियम। अब आपको क्या करना है, यू नीड टू टेक आउट द कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट ओवर हेयर, इजंट इट? आप कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट निकालोगे, सो द रिमेनिंग वन विल बी योर प्रोडक्ट। ठीक है, एंड एट द सेम टाइम यू कैन टेक द 2 molecules ऑफ दिस ऑल्सो। अगर आप 2 molecules लेते हो, से सपोज वी हैव टेकन अ CH3 COO CH3 COO कैल्शियम प्लस कैल्शियम, अब आपने 2 molecules ले लिए, सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन कि आपका एक CaCO3 यहाँ से निकला एंड 1 CaCO3 आपका यहाँ से निकला, दैट इज योर कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट। तो अब आपका वॉट एवर द रिमेनिंग, दिस विल गिव यू अ एल्डिहाइड। गॉट इट? क्लियर है इतना? नाउ बिसाइड्स दिस वी से in the third one, say that yes, in this we say that, say suppose you are having a toluene, that is your CH3। अब CH3 को if you are going to oxidize in the presence of the alcoholic KMnO4, ओके आप इसको KMnO4 की प्रेजेंस के अंदर ऑक्सीडाइज कर रहे हो, सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, इट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू अ एल्डिहाइड। ये आपको एल्डिहाइड देगा, बट द डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर रिएक्शन वी कैन से इट कैन बी व्हाट, इट इज व्हाट दैट ये एल्डिहाइड जो है ये कन्वर्ट हो जाता है फर्दर इनटू अ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड। ओके, अब what we want that our product, we wanted the aldehyde, हमें तो aldehyde चाहिए था, we do not require a carboxylic acid, so what we need to stop this particular reaction over here only। So whatever we say over here, it do not matter कि यहाँ पे कितने नंबर हैं, मीन्स यहाँ पे कितने नंबर है, like I have taken a CH3 over here, it do not matter that you are having the CH3 or C2H5, कोई भी नंबर हो, what you need to do here, we need to do the poisoning requires। पॉइजनिंग का मतलब ये होता है कि हम यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा केमिकल ऐड कर देते हैं विच डू नॉट अलाउ द बेंजल्डिहाइड टू कन्वर्ट इनटू अ बेंजोइक एसिड। नाउ पॉइजनिंग कैन बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कैटलिस्ट, ओके, और यू कैन से इंस्टेड ऑफ कैटलिस्ट जनरली वी टेक अ सल्फर और अ क्यूनोलीन, सल्फर या फिर क्यूनोलीन वी टेक एंड वी डू अ पॉइजनिंग। ये वाला पॉइंट क्लियर हुआ आप लोगों को, और शुड आई रिपीट इट अगेन? रिपीट करूं दोबारा ये वाला पॉइंट?
मैम
ओके, बस अब आपको यहाँ पे ये याद रखनी है कि लाइक ओवर हियर आई हैव टेकन व्हाट, आई हैव टेकन अ टॉलिन, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यहाँ पे आपके कितने नंबर ऑफ द कार्बन एटम्स हो, वट एवर जितने भी नंबर ऑफ द कार्बन एटम्स यहाँ पे होंगे वही कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एल्डिहाइड इट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू। अब हमें तो चाहिए था एल्डिहाइड, बट हमारा बन रहा है बेंजोइक एसिड, तो मीन्स द एसिड इट इज गिविंग यू, तो what we require to step our reaction over here only। In order to step the reaction over here, we use a poisoning agent, and poisoning agent we use generally the sulfur and the quinoline, okay। So for today we are going to do up to here only, in the next class Monday onwards we will start the name reaction for the preparation of the aldehydes। अच्छा एक बात बताओ बच्चों, हैव यू ऑल ऑफ यू इंस्टॉल द MS टीम? MS टीम इंस्टॉल कर ली है सबने?
यस मैम।
किस
Yes.
यस मैम।
है ना?
हम कर ले माइक्रोसॉफ्ट।
मैं ये कह रही थी, लिस आई वाज सेइंग दिस थिंग बेटा, that if you people have installed a MS team,